The 14 best marketplaces to buy and sell NFTs. The advent of the NFTs speaks for itself, and with great power comes great responsibility, and these are the marketplaces to buy and sell NFTs that fulfill the responsibility. OpenSea. OpenSea is the greatest NFT marketplace with more than 17,000 endorsers. NFTs are arranged into many subgroups as indicated by their features and portrayals. OpenSea is an online platform where digital resources are made, purchased, and sold. Rarible. Rarible is one of the most incredible non-fungible token marketplaces. Rarible was started in 2020 by Alex Salnikov and Alexei Falin. An additional benefit that accompanies Rarible is that other than a marketplace, it fills in as a conveyed network where the exchange is worked with without the presence of a centerman. SuperRare. SuperRare is a marketplace for exchanging NFTs, which is based on the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to follow the total history of craftsmanship. Foundation. Foundation is a digital NFTs marketplace that works with the exchanging of NFTs. It is a local area drove platform set up to assist specialists with stamping their craft, featuring it, and bringing in cash. Atomic Hub. Atomic Hub for trade NFTs. Atomic Hub is moderately new as it was origin in mid-2021. This platform is an indispensable piece of the Atomic Assets Center. It offers clients a benefit that when the clients list their resources, they can conclude when they need to transfer them. Nifty Gateway. Nifty Gateway is the best marketplace for buying crypto games. Nifty Gateway was origin in 2018. It offers clients to put resources into crypto resources, broadly called Nifty. The exchanges on Nifty Gateway are worked with through a MasterCard. NBA Top Shots. One of the popular NFTs marketplace possessed by the NBA. NBA Top Shots is an NFT marketplace claimed by the NBA. On this platform, clients can purchase their exceptional NBA features and can claim them as a digital collectibles for other lives. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a digital game and an NFT marketplace that permits online clients to raise, take on conflicts, and gather energized animals named Axies. Aavegotchi. Aavegotchi is an NFT workmanship marketplace that permits clients to put resources into NFTs. Aavegotchis is an online NFT marketplace based on NFT innovation. It deals with a remarkable mix of NFTs and decentralized money, DeFi, permitting clients to get more noteworthy returns and long-haul benefits. Decentraland. Decentraland is an NFT marketplace and a digital platform that looks to give full privileges to the specialists and the maker of NFTs. Maker's Place. Maker Place is a social marketplace where makers can insure and sell their specialty. This platform is favorable as it looks to take out any imbalance that exists while exchanging digital manifestations. Mintable. A digital platform that offers a progression of non-fungible token marketplaces managing digital exchanging card brands. Markets included in their company are GPK. CryptoPunks. One of the primary non-fungible tokens, NFT, on the Ethereum blockchain. CryptoPunks are digital miniatures fabricated utilizing Ethereum blockchain innovation. The most innovative NFT marketplace there ever is. Bakery Swap. Bakery Swap is a digital platform that spends significant time on decentralized funds and exchanging NFTs. It is the urgent computerized market creator based on the Binance Smart Chain. Conclusion. Since we have seen the 14 best NFT marketplaces of 2021, I accept it has most certainly made you contemplate NFTs regardless of whether you ought to put resources into them now or in a little while. Check out our another video about how to buy and sell NFTs.